Your Magnum Rigid Foam Cutter will be shipped to you fully assembled. But before you go to work, you will need to mount the cutting head onto the carriage. To do this, release the locking pins for each tower. Push the carriage into its upright and locked position. Undo the bolts that hold the carriage in place and slide the carriage away from the towers. Making sure that the blade is in its highest position, slide the cutting head onto the carriage. Slide the carriage back into place and fasten the bolts for each tower. When cutting, be sure the blade is placed over the spacers on the deck. You're now ready to go to work. For more information or to purchase the Magnum Rigid Foam Cutter, visit our website at cutitrightvt.com or email us at cutitrightvt@gmail.com or find us on Facebook.